Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the DJI Mini 4 Pro with DJI RC-N2, arguably one of the most advanced mini drones you can buy right now for both beginners and pros. Right out of the box, this drone feels premium but amazingly light, under 0.549 pounds/249 g. That means no registration in many countries, check your local laws. It's got DJI's sleek, foldable design, perfect for travel and outdoor creators. Pushpin design and portability. Ultra-lightweight yet sturdy, ideal for hikes, vacations, and spontaneous shoots. The ergonomic DJI RC-N2 controller feels responsive and intuitive. Perfect for both newbies and experienced pilots. Helicopter flight performance. Up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge, great for long sessions. Smooth takeoff and stable hovering even in moderate wind. Beginner modes make it easy to learn without anxiety. Camera with flash camera quality. 4K video resolution with cinematic quality. Rich colors, smooth footage, no shakiness even when moving fast. Amazing for vlogs, landscapes, real estate tours, and creative content. Link transmission and control. Up to 20 km max video transmission distance, super long range for tracking and exploring. Real-time image feed with minimal delay, perfect for dynamic shots. Brain safety and vision sensors. Omnidirectional vision sensing, senses obstacles in all directions. Helps avoid crashes, especially when flying in tricky environments. Confidence booster for beginners. Gear usability and features. Smart flight modes like Active Track, Quick Shots, Waypoints. These make cinematic shots easy without professional skills. Direct hit, why it's worth it. Compact plus powerful equals perfect blend. Best choice for hikers, travelers, YouTube creators, and photography lovers. DJI ecosystem is huge, accessories are easy to find. Thumbs up summary. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is one of the most